Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to stand a chance to receive an iPhone 14 and share 3000 BUSDT in rewards on Binance. And first thing you need to do, if you don't have Binance account, I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to create a Binance account. So a reminder, you need to click this link after you use the link in the video description for you to create Binance account. Then you need to come to this article. I'm going to leave a link in the video description to this article. Then you need to click this link. Click. You press register now. I've already pressed this register now. So the promotion starts in 1 day, 11 hours, 32 minutes and 20 seconds. I'm going to go back. Then this program is about referral promotion on Binance P2P. He said, get your friends to experience Binance P2P for the first time to grab a share of 3000 in reward. So the top referral with the large number of successful referrals, as well as the referral with the highest trading volume on Binance P2P during the promotion period, will each receive an iPhone 14. So the promotion period is December 1 and it will end December 31st of next month, this 2022. And I'm going to leave a link in the video description to this article for you to read this article A to Z to know the step to take. The most important thing when you use my link in the video description to create account on Binance, to press this register button over here. After pressing this register button, then you can now refer your friend and family. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I'm going to catch you on the next video.